In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in CapCut. Whether you're working with action-packed footage, a handheld shot, or just want to smooth out some minor camera shakes, stabilization can make a world of difference. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly tool for video editing, and with its built-in stabilization feature, you can quickly transform shaky clips into smooth, professional-looking videos. So if you're ready to take your video quality up a notch, let's dive right in. First, start by opening CapCut on your PC. If you don't already have it installed, you'll need to download and set it up beforehand. Once it's open, the first thing you'll want to do is import the video you want to stabilize. This step is essential because it makes the footage available for editing. To do this, simply drag and drop your video file into the media library, or use the import button to locate the file on your computer. Once your video is imported, add it to the timeline by dragging it from the media library next. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This tells CapCut which specific piece of footage you want to work on. If you have multiple clips in the timeline, make sure you've selected the one you want to stabilize. Now, look over to the right-hand side of CapCut's interface. This panel is where most of the editing tools are located, including the stabilizer. From here, find the section labeled Video and click into the Basic category. This is where we'll find the stabilization tool. Once you're in the Basic panel, scroll down carefully until you see the checkbox for Stabilize. Now, if you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It may be a bit further down in the options, so scroll slowly to locate it. When you find it, check the box. This action tells CapCut to analyze your footage and begin smoothing out any shakes or jitters. Keep in mind that this process may take a few moments to complete, particularly if your video is longer or more complex. After the stabilization analysis is complete, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Level next to the Stabilize option. Click on this menu to reveal the different stabilization levels available. You'll see three options: Recommended, Minimum Cut, and Most Stable. Each of these serves a different purpose, so let's go through them briefly. The recommended setting provides a balanced level of stabilization. This is a great default option for most videos, as it smooths out the footage without altering the framing too much. Alternatively, you can choose Minimum Cut. This setting applies lighter stabilization, which is ideal if you want to preserve the original framing and avoid cropping as much as possible. Finally, there's Most Stable. This is the strongest stabilization option and is perfect for footage that's extremely shaky. Just keep in mind that it may result in more noticeable cropping to achieve that stability. Once you've selected the stabilization level that best suits your footage, play back your video clip to see the results. This preview step is important because it allows you to assess whether the level of stabilization you chose is working well for your video. If the video still feels a bit shaky, or if the cropping is too aggressive, you can always go back to the level drop-down menu and try a different option. Feel free to experiment with the settings until you're satisfied with how the clip looks. After you've reviewed and adjusted the stabilization to your liking, play through the fully stabilized video one more time to confirm the smoothness. This final check helps ensure that everything looks just right before you move on to the exporting phase. And that's it. If you're happy with the results, you can go ahead and export your video. Simply click the Export button, choose your desired resolution and format, and save the file to your computer. You'll now have a beautifully stabilized video ready to share or use in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.